Hey there you guys, today's wig is brought to you by DW035.com. I'll be sure to leave the link below to this wig and also their direct store. The wig that they sent me is a 360 lace wig. Comes with lace all around, so you have to cut off all that lace. You also get 3 combs in the front and another comb in the back with adjustable straps. When you receive your wig, the hairline comes pre-plucked and the knots come lightly pre-bleached. I wanted the knots in the front to be just a little bit lighter, so I just took some bleach and bleached about 2 inches of the hairline. After I bleached the knots, I decided I wanted a right side part, so now I'm just gonna go in and do a right side part. Even though the hairline does come pre-plucked, I just would like it plucked a little bit more. So in the front, I just have some water in a cup because I can't find my spray bottle. So I'm just gonna go in and pluck the hairline just a little bit more to my liking. So this is what the wig looks like, nicely damp and moisturized. I had this wig sitting there for about a week now, just air drying. I just wasn't ready to do the review. I had a lot going on. So to tame down the curls, because the wig already has product on it, I'm just going to go in with my spray bottle with just water in the bottle just to bring down the hair a bit, you know. It's a little too poofy for my liking. But first I'm going to cut off the lace. Off camera, I went in and added an elastic band to the wig just to give the wig more of a secure fit. So now I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 340 and just apply some of that powder underneath the lace.
Here we go.
This will be the mist bottle I'll be using. You could get this mist bottle from Sally's Beauty Supply store. It's just a water bottle that lightly mists the water for you on the hair so the hair is not too drenched. That's what it's looking like in the front, but I feel like it could use some baby hairs at the side, just at the side a little bit, because right now the front is blending really great. Like, wow, this lace, some good lace, you guys, some good lace. And right now I'm in natural sunlight. I do have an umbrella light to the left of me just because this side is just a little dark, but right side is the natural sunlight, and so far it's honestly not bad. Yeah, you could kind of see the lace a little bit, but it blends really good, especially for some laces out there. And so now I'm just going to go in and add some baby hair. On the side, to keep the air tabs down, I'm just gonna go in with some Got to Be Glued Freeze Blast spray and just spray the side down. After I spray it down, then I go in and hold it down for about a minute, and then it actually just sticks. Just to style the edges a little bit, I'm gonna go in with some mousse. This mousse is by Matrix. I believe it's like their Total Results Amplifier or something like that. Yeah, just do that, style the baby hairs with that first. Then I go in with the Got to Be Glue Sparkling Gel just to harden down the baby hairs just a little bit. So you guys, right here is pretty much my end results, and so far I think this wig is very gorgeous. I did go in and customize the wig a bit, but it was totally worth it. I did go in and I bleached the knots, but the knots I only bleached about 2 inches in the front because the knots do come pre-bleached, but I just wanted the front bleached a little bit more. So I went in and added my bleach. So as for the hair, this hair is very gorgeous, you guys. As you guys can see, this is day 1 with this wig. I do not have this wig glued down. This is pretty much how I wear my wigs every day to like work or just going out. I mostly style the side, spray down the air tab, and just go about my day. So this is what it looks like in natural sunlight, because sometimes when you have the umbrella lights, the like lace will look real different than in person. So I'm trying to give it to you guys like as raw as I can so you guys could see what the wig really looks like. So as for the wig, the hair had minimum tangling. As for shedding was minimum 2. The density on this wig is very full, but nothing too heavy. This wig does not feel heavy at all. It doesn't even have a weight to it really. Like, the length of the wig on me is right here. My height is 5'6", and as for the wig stretched out is more almost towards my belly button, but it lays right underneath my boob if anything. So yeah, look at this curl pattern, you guys. It's very gorgeous. So far it's day 1 for me with the wig. I don't know how the wig is gonna hold up. I'm not sure if I'm gonna really wear it like that. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So let me know your thoughts, you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. If you want me to do more videos in the sunlight and do more customizing videos, let me know. Like, what do you guys want to see? Let me know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Later, you guys.